To a primetime news follow-up now. The mystery surrounding the recent funeral of a man whose family insists the body in the coffin was not their loved one took an unexpected turn on Thursday. As Kimberley Peddie reports, the search for the missing body may finally be over.
The family of the deceased man, Roy Williams, turned up at the funeral home Thursday with one goal in mind: to get a DNA sample from the body, which was sent to the church on June 7, the day their loved one was supposed to be buried. They'd been adamant that the body in the coffin was not Roy, and so they've been on a quest to find him. To their surprise, the body on the examination table was not the one in question. Instead, it was their deceased relative.
The lawyer called me and she said they presented a body. I said, "Can I see the body?" And she turned the camera on and I said, "That's Roy." So I said to her, "Where is the body that they gave us at the funeral? Because this is obviously not the body that we saw before." And the lawyer said they don't have another body.
The body, we were told, was in a frozen state because the employees expressed being unaware about the DNA procedure. And so, the family had to wait for over 2 hours before anything could have been done. And while they are confident that Roy's body has been found, they will have to wait another 10 to 15 days for the DNA results.
Where was Roy Williams? Where was he? Where did they take him from? To me, the body looks like it's in a state of decomposition. I'm assuming that the body seemed like it was exhumed.
There are also the questions surrounding the whereabouts of the body that was taken to the church on June 7.
This is complete deception. This is too much. If this has been going on for too long, it needs to stop. Who regulates these funeral homes? Who oversees them in the Jamaican government system? They're just free to do whatever they want to do.
They are also calling for stricter regulations for funeral homes. When contacted for comment, operators of the funeral home in question denied a DNA test was done. They've maintained the right body was sent to the church. Kimberley Peddie, TVJ News.
Still to come this evening, Portland Cottage residents battle intense heat. And in business news, Scotia Group Jamaica to be delisted from the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Stay with us, we'll be right back.